there, Peace here. You know what sound a cow makes? A cow says, moo. Now I have a message for all the cows out there watching. Moo, 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 moo. That's cow talk for you're watching Nick Jr. The Disney World of Richard Carey is up next.